Let's see how to set up iPad as second monitor for Mac. In the first step, open Settings. Later choose Wi-Fi and link both devices to the same network. Next, go to Bluetooth and switch it on. In the next step, open Settings. After that, select General. After that, click on AirPlay and Handoff and activate Handoff. In the next step, open Settings. Now select Display and Brightness. Now tap on Displays and pick your iPad. And in the next step, go to your Mac. After that, open Control Center. After that, select Screen Mirroring and choose your iPad. In the next step, move the cursor toward the iPad display. Then shift windows between both screens. Now modify the display settings in System Preferences. You are good to go.